Hi guys. I'm gonna wash the bins out with soapy hot water, and that's why I haven't put them back yet. So the purpose of cleaning the fridge out is to clean the fridge out, and unfortunately there's some food here that I have to waste. Not happy about it, but I guess I'm making room for the new. Out with the old, in with the new. It's some whipped cream that's gone bad. This sauerkraut we've had for a while, trying to be healthy, and that went mildewy. Mold. There was mold on there. So big too, such a big container. This I was gonna make this week, but unfortunately that's got mold on it. And I'm so upset because it's more than half full. I don't know, sometimes I just get busy and I forget to look in the back. And I bought those tomatoes to have with them, but now I'll have to use the tomatoes for something else. Yeah, it's disappointing. Should have given it to my daughter, she loves that. And this we just used not too long ago, less than 2 weeks ago, and it's already got mold on it. I have no idea how. And then these are my coffee that I saved after breakfast, and that's been in there a while, so that's gotta go. That was my daughter's. That's been bad for a while. Glad it's finally getting out of there. This little cheese I had open for breakfast and I never resealed it. We'll put it in a bag, so that's gotta go. And then I think the flax seeds are next. Yes, they expire this month, but they don't smell good. Like I don't think they should really smell, but they have a bad smell. So unfortunately, that's gotta go. And that's a big container. Not happy about it, but it is what it is. You know, you get busy doing other stuff. And I think that's all of it. And then these strawberries here, they're going bad, but I'm not going to throw them away. I'm going to freeze them, and I'm going to use them for smoothies or ice cream. But I don't want to just eat them like that because I don't think they'll be all that good. But if I mix them in something, I think they'll be okay. They're not moldy or anything. And that's it for today. I hope you guys got some motivation. I know it's hard to film and vacuum and clean out at the same time and step on a step stool. It's hard to do, but I hope you got some motivation out of it. I'm happy that I finally got it done. I've been wanting to do it, and it's done. And now I just got to focus on the vegetable drawer. And I'm just showing you here how much I love to have nuts. I really have a love of nuts. Walnuts, pecans, almonds, pistachio nuts, granola nuts, and that's some coconut there, and lemons. I'm just washing the drawers out, so they're gonna sit out here for a while. And I just want to say thanks for spending time with me today. And I'll see you next time. It's a good time to go clean your refrigerator out or your freezer. And it's full moon coming, so it's a good time to out with the old and with the new. So hope you guys have an excellent day. If you can, please, that's our neighbor gave that to us. That's a cucumber. I'm not throwing that away. I'm just showing you, just reminding me to use it. So if you could, please like it and subscribe. Thanks. Take care.